The internet is changing, social media is taking over, and WhatsApp is blowing up. This again is the biggest opportunity for online entrepreneurs, business owners, and online marketers to increase your reach, connect more with your audience, nurture your leads, and make more sales. Now, with just one click, you can reach thousands of people. So, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the new WhatsApp community features. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about the new WhatsApp community features, how you can navigate, and how you can go about it. All right. So, stick around to the end of this video so that you understand every point in this video. So, before we move to the screen, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I will advise you to subscribe right now. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, please do it to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so YouTube will notify you anytime I drop awesome videos like this to help you make more money and to help you increase your reach when it comes to online. My name is Uhunoma Evans and this is what we do here. So let's go. Okay guys, so if you're on WhatsApp, you're going to be seeing this icon there. Okay, this icon you are seeing up there, or people together at the top left corner. If you are not seeing this icon, you go and update your WhatsApp. Okay, it's only available on updated WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp version is not updated, go and update it. So you are going to scroll down to this part, and these are the community I have created. Okay, these are the community I have created, which is the one you are seeing right here, and this is the community I have belonged to. So as you can see on the down screen, these are the community I belong to. So you are going to click on this new WhatsApp community. Just click on that icon and you are going to create a new WhatsApp community. First of all, you are going to name your community whatever name you are going to name it. Okay, so I'm just going to name it tutorial purposes. Okay, so I will just name it whatever name I want to create. Now I'm going to write a description of what your community is all about. Okay, so I'm just going to name it any name I'm going to name it. This community is for tutorial purposes. I'm just writing a random name. So after you are done creating your community, the next thing is to update your profile picture or to upload the profile picture. So can just come over here, then just upload any profile picture of my choice. Can come here and just upload anything of my choice. I can upload this or I can upload any of it. So I'm going to upload this right now. This is a profile picture. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on this arrow button to create your community. Now at first you can add 20 groups to your community. So as you can see here, you are available to add 20 groups to your community. Okay, but you can add more, but as a start you can add 20 groups. You can either create a new group or you add an existing group. Okay, so if you are creating a new group, that's a different case entirely. You're going to be adding people, or you're going to be sending the link to people. Or if you're adding an existing group, that's a different case entirely. So what I'm going to do right now is to add existing group. Okay, so once you click on add existing group, you are going to see all the groups you have created. Now this is all my groups. As you can see, I've already added this to another community, which is the community I've created first. So I can't add them again. So I can just add the remaining part of it. I'll just add this one, add this one, add this. But at first you can add as many as 20 community as a start. So I'm just going to go with this 15, since this 15 is the one available for me right now. So I can just go to create, and as you can see, these are the groups in community. So these are the groups. Now I'm just going to click on this check button. The group will be created immediately. Right now the group is created. Now you can even come under here and add more group to it. Okay, so you can just come under and you can easily add more groups. Now you can add more than 20. Now you can add up to 50 groups right now. So at the first you can add 20 groups, then the next you can add at least a maximum of 50 groups. Okay, so this is how you can create your community. Now, how can you add other people to your community for ad purposes? Maybe you want to add a new admin for ad purposes. Now you want to add someone as an admin so that they can run ads. Okay, maybe the ads disappear after 24 hours of running the ads. Maybe you have had all your community together, and maybe you have total number of like 1,000 people or 2,000 people in every of those groups which are labeled as your community. So you want to add an admin so that they can easily run ads. Okay, so what you have to do is very simple. Just come to your community, this community features, then click on this eyeball icon down here. Then you are going to click on edit view members. So once you come to view members, as you can see, I have 854 members in this community. Okay, maybe someone wants to run an ad to these 800 people. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to come over and I'm going to just select the person. I just select the person this way. I'm going to add this person as an admin. As you can see, make admin. I'll just make him admin. So as you can see, community admin can send announcements, messages, groups, edit information. So once I add this person as an admin, this person can easily run or send message to all my members from his own hand. Okay, so maybe you want to run an ad, you can easily send them broadcast message to all my community members. So after 24 hours, the message will disappear. So this is how you can add a admin to your community so that it can run ads. Okay, but as you can see right here, community creator, which is me. So you can add as many admin as you want so that you can easily run ads with your community, or maybe they have an important message to pass across to your members. Okay, now no participant can send other members. Like as you have added your community together, now you have at least 1,000 people together. Now no other person can see your other members, which is every of your community members. We have just you and only admin on group. Okay, let me just show you what I'm explaining. Now this is a community I belong to, community I mean. This is other community I belong to. Okay, now as you can see, this is the community. The person added me to this community, and he only the admin can send message. So if I come to this place right now, as you can see, it's only me and the admin, which is 2 participants. All right, now this all the members and everybody is going to be seeing the same thing. So I'm not going to be seeing other members from the community. That way I can't reach them. All right, so this is it. So as you can see, 950. So this guy has 985 members on this community, and I can only see myself and the admin. Okay, so I can't reach this 985 people. Okay, so you are safe and your members are safe. Now, how can you add individual participant to other group? So I was talking about the community I belong to, or the community I was added to. Now these are other group in the community. Okay, so this very community, it has 6 groups altogether. If you use smartphone video editing, they have 6 groups altogether, and I can't join these groups. I only belongs to this SVE3. So if I want to join this other community group, what I will easily do is I will just come here, I will just click on the group. As you can see, we have 260 members in this group. I will just request to join. So once I send this request to join, the admin is going to receive a message. I'm going to send this message to him. So once he receives the message, he will just add me to the group. And if you want to add me, you will just click on this add. He's going to see a button at his end, which is add members. Once you click on the add, I'm going to be easily added to the group. That's the way to add admin, to add people to the group, in the way that other people from your community can join other group. Maybe you have a paid class and someone wants to join the paid class. He can easily send you that message and you send him the details to make payment to. Then you can add him to the paid class. Alright, so how can you send broadcast message to your community members? It's very simple. So this was the community I created just now. So if I want to send broadcast message, I'm going to click on this broadcast message icon, which is this place. This is the community. So once I click on this community, I'm going to see the groups I added, which is 16 groups. Okay, so I can easily invite members to join this community, and so on and so forth. So if I want to send message to these people, I just come to this tutorial purposes, then I can easily send message from here. Okay, I've just send message from here, hello, and it's going to send. So once I send message from here, once I click on the message, it's going to send to every participant on this group. So any message I'm going to send here is going to be delivered to them personally. They're going to receive the message personally. So that's how you can send message to every participant in the group. So how do you delete your community? It's very simple. You just come to this community you created, or the community we created, then just scroll down. You are going to see exit community or deactivate community. So you are the owner of the community, you have to deactivate the community before you exit. So just click on deactivate community. As you can see, the action cannot be undone, group will be disconnected, announcement groups will be closed, and community info will be deleted. So click on deactivate and the group is going to be deactivated, and all the group is going to go and the community is going to be erased. So that way is an easy way to deactivate your community. I believe you found value from this content. I believe you learned something new. You learned something new that will take your business to the next level. and that will take your marketing game to the next level. If you do, please give this video a like and do well to subscribe to this channel. Liking this video will help this video move forward by YouTube recommending it to other people who need to have access to this information right now. So thanks for watching again. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, make sure you turn on bell notifications so YouTube will notify you anytime I drop on some videos like this. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.